Hi everyone! Thank you for joining another gift wrapping tutorial. Today's video makes you feel like you are swimming in between the beautiful corals and flowers in the ocean. Let's cut the paper to an appropriate size. The width of the paper should be enough to wrap around the box, plus some extra to fold back the end. The height of the paper should be enough to close the top and bottom, plus the height of the box. The beautiful paper I'm using is called Underwater Flora from Rapidly.com. Wrap the paper around the box tightly and make sure to crease the edges well. Fold back the end so you will have a nice folded seam. Place double-sided tape along the edge, then close the end. Cut another sheet the same height as the main paper. The width of the paper should be enough to create a pleats design. Let's create pleats. Fold up a little in about half an inch or 1 centimeter. Make a larger fold 4 more times, total 5 folds. Turn the paper over and unfold everything except the first fold. Bring the second crease toward yourself in halfway point to create the first pleat. Then continue folding all the creases toward yourself, making sure the distance between the folds are visually equal. Fold back the last crease and turn the paper over. We will place clear tape to secure the design. Place 2 strips of double-sided tape on both sides, a little in from the edges. Place the pleats design onto the box, aligning the right end to the right edge of the box. To close the top and bottom, fold down the side papers first. Place the box upside down. Close the end by creasing well at the edges. Place clear tape to hold down the paper if necessary. Place double-sided tape along the edge, then close the end. Repeat the same steps to close the other end. Make sure to crease the edges well. Pop up the edges of the pleats by pinching the folds with your thumb and index fingers. And we are done for wrapping the box. We're gonna make an additional design to the box. Use any leftover paper or an additional paper that has enough length to wrap around the box widthwise. Fold up the end a little. Create a larger fold matching the size of your box. Cut a little over the creased line. Fold back the end and tape to secure the design. Wrap it around the box. Adjust the length, then close the end with double-sided tape. We're gonna add a ribbon. I'm using the cotton 100% curling ribbon from Rapidly. Make sure the ribbon is wrapped around the box tightly. Then close the end. Cut 2 strips of ribbon to create a bow. Adjust the length depending on the size of your bow. Make rings with the strips. Then staple them together at the center. Fold up the bottom loops diagonally so all the loops become visible. Create the tails with another ribbon strip. Then staple it to the first piece. Attach the bow to the box using double-sided tape. Create a smaller ring with ribbon, then place it onto the center of the bow. If you are using the curling ribbon, adjust the directions of the tails for the best presentation. Cut the ends and done. Thanks again for watching my gift wrapping tutorial. Visit me www.shihomasuda.com and check out my online gift wrapping school for more gift wrapping and paper craft lessons. See you in the next video.